All right, welcome to the first module of the Do-It-Yourself WordPress website course. This module, we will be purchasing a domain, setting up a web hosting account on that domain, and then we will be creating an email address that's connected to that domain, and then we will be setting up WordPress on that domain as well. You can purchase your domain and hosting at any online domain registrar, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap or Bluehost. However, for the purpose of this course, we will be purchasing it through conscioussites.com. So to begin, you can visit conscioussites.com and you will see an option under services for web hosting. There you will choose a plan. We've gone with the basic plan. And then you will be able to choose a domain. Now here, you can purchase a domain if you don't already have one, or you can choose to use an existing domain. And for that, you will select the I will use my existing domain and update my name servers option. Once you've decided on a domain, you can hit continue. And then you can choose a billing cycle, either monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or yearly, and then continue. Then you will see your cart here, and then you'll be able to check out. You'll fill in all of your personal details and billing information. You will then choose a password for your account that will be created. And then you can choose a payment method. We're gonna go with PayPal. And then you'll hit complete order. That will take you over to PayPal, and you can then click that yellow button to check out through PayPal. You'll sign in. Then you'll hit agree and subscribe, and that will take you back to conscioussites.com, where you will see your new account. You can ignore that unpaid option that will be updated shortly. Scroll to the bottom and hit back to client area. Then you can go ahead and click on the domain. You'll see that it's pending. That will also be updated shortly. You can hit refresh and that should update. And now we're going to want to head over, and we want to, first of all, we want to make sure that we verify our email address. So go ahead and do that. Once you've done that, then you want to click on client area and then click on services. Then click on the hosting service for that domain. And then you will see a link on the left under Actions to log into cPanel. Go ahead and click that. And then once you're there, you will scroll down and see email addresses. Here you're going to create your own email address that goes with the domain. So go ahead and click the orange Create button on the right side. We're going to go with info@, and then you'll choose a password. And then just hit Create. You'll see that that's been created. Then you can head back over and hit the home button on the cPanel. And then we're gonna scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, and you will see a WordPress option. Click that. And then you're gonna wanna click Install Now. You're gonna choose your installation URL. And in the place where it says the directory, you can go ahead and delete that. We want to install it on the home URL. Then go ahead and choose a name and a description for your site. We're going to create a username and password. You can create that whatever you want it to be. And then make sure that admin email address matches the email that you just previously created. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and hit install. Awesome. And now you will get a congratulations notice. You can go ahead and click on the URL and you will see that your site has been created. You can also hit the administrative URL and that will take you to the back end of your WordPress website.